Okay, cool. So the fish tank is now more or less fully set up, and we've got quite a few little guys running around. So let's go down the bottom here. There's a little coolie loach, otherwise known as the nope rope of the tank. We've got a whole lot of rummy nose just sort of constantly moving about, so always very active, pretty cool. I can see that we've got the platy out, so the big guy, you know, add a bit of colour to the tank. And now we've got the Harlequin rasboras. They're the last few that came across from one of the old tanks, and again, always moving around. A whole lot of rocks and plants have come in from the old tanks and just sort of hiding back there amongst the plants. We've got the little ember tetras. Apparently they don't want to go in focus. There we go, that looks better. We've got some plants that aren't really holding up so well. Luckily enough, the fish are eating them, so hey, at least it's turning into food. And quite a lot of plants are now otherwise coming together. We got some crypts, no idea what the tall one is. Some Java fern, and we've got a great big clump of Java moss, and we've got an Amazon sword. It's painted quite close to the glass, just so that there is this narrow little space for the coolie loach to swim in. And I'm not seeing them right now. Somewhere in here. Okay, looks like they're just over the back there, and they're not coming sort of forward just now. We've got some peppered cories. Let's wander around the side, see if we can get a shot of some of them. So there's at least one, and not seeing them quickly, but stuck onto all the different surfaces somewhere around here. We also have some Otocinclus, and yeah, no sign of where they are right now. Anyway, tank's pretty much set up. May end up changing a little bit of the plants, like at the back where that one's dying back. Don't know its name, but it'll be dead soon, so it doesn't need a name. Cool.